and all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Oh, today I am time traveling.
balance between working really hard towards our goals, but also taking time with ourselves and embracing that self-living, that's living kind of mindset. And yeah, so we're gonna dive into that in today's episode. I'm so excited to announce that we are currently in the midst of planning our Girls Sweat event.
Relax your body, open up those legs. Slowly now let's open up and then come back to neutral seated position. Let's take another breath as we reach both arms up towards the sky. And then exhale, bring the palms of your hands together into your Anjali Mudra. And again, open up the arms, inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms together, back down towards your heart.
Every day we wake up, eyes still closed, and no one knows the things behind our shut eyelids, or where any of it leads. I was blind and hoping, now my eyes are open. None of what I see makes sense. My mind's a fence, but I'm still singing. Ooh la 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 la, life goes on, and I'm not done.
얘는 또 라나이다.
Love still hard to find. I'm singing. Ooh la 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 la, life goes on.